I hear say many of una not get pot filler for your house, but now I wan explain why you need this pot filler. Yes, this is way you see for this video. They call am pot filler, and they put am just directly on top of your gas burner. Yes, so if you dey cook and maybe your food dey burn, or you wan even put water for your food, you no suppose to dey go your kitchen sink dey go pour water before you go full, before you come dey turn inside the food. With this pot filler, you just need to just on your water and it go pour directly inside your pot. Yes, so no matter how big your pot dey, this one like this, it go enter am. You don't need to fear. So if you dey build house, this na one of the things where you need to put to. Send us DM, we get am for different colors.